Hello everyone, this is Vijaya. I'm here today to share what I know about Jira to those who haven't heard about it yet. I'm trying this for the first time and I'm open to any suggestions that could help me improve throughout my journey. What is Jira? In short, Jira is primarily used for issue tracking and project management. To illustrate in simple words, we all have a to-do list. Imagine an app which helps us track each of the items on our to-do list with details like its current status, what is being done, when it started, and what the progress is. That is exactly Jira. Of course, we need not make our to-do list so complicated by tracking it in Jira. That was just a practical example. Jira is mainly used for tracking issues and project management. Not only in IT, even banking, aerospace, healthcare, and tourism domains use Jira to effectively track their issues and progress. Jira is user friendly and gives us clarity through visual representation of issues on boards. Jira is offered by Atlassian, a leading software company which is now spread across the world. Jira was originally offered in 3 editions: Jira Server, Jira Data Center, and Jira Cloud. Both Jira Server and Jira Data Center are self-hosted solutions. With Jira Server, the software was installed on the customer's own servers and was intended for smaller organizations. Whereas Jira Data Center is designed for large-scale deployments. Jira Cloud is a SaaS solution which is managed by Atlassian itself. Atlassian has already discontinued the support for Jira Server and is focused on migrating all of its customers to Jira Cloud by March 2029. Let's get started by navigating through Jira. Hope you are able to see my screen. This is kind of a welcome page where you can see your recent tasks, progress, and activities. Atlassian has recently changed their nomenclature for Jira on cloud, and some of the keywords are called differently in cloud now. What we used to call as projects are spaces in cloud now. What we used to call as issues are work items in cloud now. What is a space or a project? For every team using Jira, you can define, create, and configure a space specifically for them to track their issues and progress. The very next keyword is an issue, which is now called as work item in Jira. It is the basic unit in Jira which we create to track what we actually intend to track. This can be of different types. Let's catch up more on this on our next video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice rest of the day.